My friends, welcome to all of you in basic Vedic Mathematics course. So what we did our last time? Last time we did the multiplication, and in particular multiplication of numbers near base and especially the above base. Multiplication of numbers above base. And I hope you have practiced it, you have done the exercises and you have followed it. So what are you going to do today? Today we are going to do something special. Multiplication by the special number 9. Multiplication by 9. Here 9 means multiplying by 9. Multiplying by 9 all of you know through your multiplication table. But multiplying with 99 or double 9 or triple 9, 999, anything, any number, or even number 9 into 9 into 9, 3 times 9 or 4 times 9, all the same, right? So this multiplication by 9 has two parts. Today we are going to do part 1. Part 1. Here part 1 means, while doing multiplication there may be 3 cases. One thing is when you multiply any number, say you are multiplying by 3, 2 and 9, 9. There are 2 digits here, there are 2 digits here. Another thing may be 3, 2, 3 into 9, 9, 9. It can be 3 digits here, no issue. But there may be a situation where you find 23 into 999 where multiplicand has got less number of digits, only 2, and multiplier has got 3 digits. Then what is to be done? That we'll see in our next case, case number 2. But here the case number 1, when the digits in the multiplier and the multiplicand are same, then what you are going to do, that is our first part of the case, first case, right? So multiplying by 9, multiplication by 9, we are going to see how we are going to do it. This is part 1, and I will combine it rather. Part 1 with part 2 means when there is 3 digits above, 3 digits below, multiplier 3 digits, multiplicand 3 digits, and if the digits are lesser in the multiplicand, then what you are going to do, even that we will do today. So let us first take an example, 12 into 99. Here you see the digits are same, right? The digits are same. There are 2 digits here, there are 2 digits here. Now remember, while doing multiplication of like this, there are 2 things which you have to see. The first part is this: you have to reduce this number. This is multiplicand and this is multiplier. The multiplicand is to be reduced by number 1. So here 12 minus 1 is how much? 11. 12 minus 1 is 11. So the first part of the answer is 11, right? And what is the second part of the answer? Second part of the answer is the complement of this 12. Complement of 12. Complement of 12 means what? It's when you subtract number 12 from 100, we get the complement, right? And that subtraction, we know that 100 minus 12 is 78. 78 or 88? 88. So 100 minus 12 is 88. But we can get it through the method of complement I told you earlier, all from 9, last from 10. So what we do is reduce, subtract 2 from 10 and make it 8. Subtract 1 from 9 and make it 88. All from 9, last from 10. This is to be reduced from 10 to get 8. And all other numbers in this side is to be reduced from number 9. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 10 minus 2 is 8. Answer is 1188. That is the multiplication. I revise it again. What you need to do is, first, now multiplicand is to be reduced by number 1, so make it 11, and then we have to get the complement of 12, and that's equal to 88. So answer is 1188. It's quite simple. You do it mentally. 1188. 1 reduced, 11, complement 88. 88, 10 minus 2 8, 9 minus 1 8, 1188. Quite easy. Quite easy, quite simple. Well, let us do another problem. 36 into 99. Here again the digits are same, right? So what do you do it? First the multiplicand is to be reduced by number 1, we get it 35. And the complement of multiplicand, 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 3 is 6. The answer is 3, 5, 6, 4. This is your multiplication. It's simple, very simple. Well, let us do another question. Let us do a 3-digit question. 212 into 999. Here again the digits are same. 999. So what you have to do is first reduce this by number 1. 212 minus 1 is how much? 211. So right here the first part of the answer is 211 and then complement of this. All from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 1 is 8, 10 minus 2 is 8. So the answer is 211,788 and that's all. What we have done? 212. We have to reduce this multiplicand by number 1. So it becomes 212 minus 1 is 211 and then this 212 we have to find out the complement of this 212 and that's equal to 88. Well, now let us do the next question. It's 211788. Let us do the next question. Next question is 898 into 999. The first part of the answer is 898 minus 1, 897. And the complement of this 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. And 10 minus 8 is 2. Right? Number 1, subtract 1 from this, 898 minus 1, 897. Complement of this 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 10 minus 8 is 2. Answer is 897102. So now let us see another problem which is little bigger. 4352 and 9999. Well, the same thing. See, this is a big problem. If you do multiply it, it's very difficult, but do it quite easily. Reduce 1 from this number, it becomes 4351. And complement of this 9 minus 4 is 5, all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6. You can do it mentally. 9 minus 5 is 4 and 10 minus 2 is 8. 4, 3, 5, 1, 5, 6, 4, 8. Right? It's quite simple, you know, that I'll just show you an example where I'm not writing anything. Simply write the answer 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 99999. So what you do is just reduce this by 1. So answer is 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Complement of this 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, 10 minus 9 is 1. So answer is 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. Quite simple. You can straight away write the answer. There is no issue at all. Now we'll see a little different problem. I'll show you one problem which is quite easy, but you will understand. If suppose the question is 32 into 999. The question is 32 into 999. So what you need to do is only add 0 here. That's all. If the question is that multiply 32 into 999. So what you need to do is, don't ignore this 0 here. Write down 0 here. Now do the problem. Here, reduce by 1. 32 minus 1. 0 has got no meaning here. 32 minus 1 is 31. And then now write the complement of this whole number. The moment you write the complement of this whole number, 9 minus 0, you cannot ignore it. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. And 10 minus 2 is 8. And that is the answer. So we have followed it. If the question is 32 into 999, we are not going to ignore this point that there is a 0 here. So put a 0 here. Now there are 3 digits, make it 3 digits by putting 0 here. So here 32 minus 1 is 31, that is the first part of the answer. Second part is the complement of this. 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 3 is 6 and 9 minus 2 is, 10 minus 2 is 8 is number 31968. Well, I'll do the last question for you. The last question for you is quite just for your curiosity. 0, 0, 2, 6, 0, 9, 5, 3, 6, a big number. And you are asked to write down the multiplication with this. Very dreadful to see this question, but we are doing it quite easily. This minus 1, so we'll write here 2, 6, 0, 9, 5, 3, 5, reduced by 1. And write down the complement of this. 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 0 is again 9, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 3 is 6, and 10 minus 6 is 4, and that is the answer, right? It seems to be quite big, but it's quite simple. You can do it very easily, no issue at all. I think you have followed it. Now, what I'm going to do is give you some exercise, an exercise which you can do some problem at all. Please write down, say 13 into 99 by the method of this 9, right? And this method, I have forgotten to tell you, this method is known as ekanuyena purbena. Ekanuyena purbena. The previous number, from that we just reduce number 1, and that is ekanuyena purbena. Now I'll give you the exercises here. 13 into 99, 96 into 99, 862 into 9, then 2, 3, 4, 5 into 9, right? And here is 3, 4, 5 into 9. There are 3 digits upper and 4 digits below, and here is 56 into 9. Just do these problems, these 3 into 3, 6 problems, practice yourself. So, what you have done today? We have done the multiplication of numbers with the number 9. There are 2 kinds of things where the multiplicand has and the multiplier has the same number of digits. Another case, multiplicand has got lesser digits and the multiplier has got more digits. So the difference of this is add with 0. Just fill it up with 0 and then you do it, right? Things are quite simple. There are 2 parts. One thing is reduced by 1. Another part is take the complement of the multiplicand. And that is the total answer. It's quite simple. I've given you the exercises just to practice it, and I hope you'll be able to understand it very clearly. And if at all you do not understand any question, please do write in the comments box. I'll be happy to respond to your questions. Well, and if at all you have liked this video, please do subscribe to my channel, right? Hit the bell icon and please share it with others so that others can also take the benefit of learning Vedic mathematics. So what are you going to do next time? Next time we are going to do something different. We are going to another kind of multiplication, where we'll see that when there is no other method applicable to anything, we can use that particular method, and that we are going to do the next time. So till the time I meet you again with my next video, with my next session, all the best. Please take care of yourself.